Wondering what to do when visiting Island Park, Idaho? There are so many outdoor activities in Island Park, and one of the activities that I love is river rafting. We started our rafting in the middle of the day, hoping it will be warmer, especially the water. We got to the raft, but first, we want to make sure we have enough air in our raft before we hop on. Once completed, it is time to have some fun on the river. Rafting is a sport or outdoor activity which uses an inflatable raft floating down a river. I totally enjoyed our rafting experience. We had exciting wavy water, but mostly smooth water rafting. We saw people kayaking and tubing, just floating and relaxing down the river. There were plenty of people fishing. This river is a place where you can always catch a fish. As you can see, I'm having fun at the back, taking pictures and videos with my waterproof camera. The part of the Snake River that we floated down is located in Bax Canyon. Bax Canyon is a narrow canyon with walls of rocks that make it look like we are in the Bax. That's why it's called Bax Canyon. Big, tall, green pine trees are located on both sides of the river. There are times we simply take silence as we observe the beauty of nature and listen to the sound of the river. River rafting is a great way to bond with your loved ones. It's perfect for a family activity and to make some lasting memories. Hey guys, if you want for more videos, just search MinuteTour. MinuteTour. No space. See ya!